Hi everyone! I just visited the first Peri-Peri in Bicol. It is located at the ground floor of the al fresco of Robinsons Naga. Let me share with you my Peri-flavorful adventure at Peri-Peri. From the explosive flavors of Southern African cuisine, we now start with the charcoal chicken. We had the Peri Grupo Especial with chicken grupo with a whole chicken, 4 regular sides, and 4 java rice and 1 liter drink. By the way, they also offer Peri favorite plates and some pika-pika. Now let's talk about the exciting sauces. The Harissa Exotica, Mesquite Barbecue, Garlic Brew are all hot sauces. The creamy Cajun Remoulade, hoisin sesame, and sweet soy. The last 2 sauces are on the sweet side. I personally like all the hot sauces. Syempre, Bicolano garo kita. But the Cajun Remoulade is also nice. You can also make your own salad, by the way. I'm pretty sure you'll have your own recommendations too. Do share your Peri-Peri experience with us. But yan na, visit Peri-Peri soon. Until next time!